When the night is long and the tears still fall, when the weight of life feels like it all, you whisper softly through my pain, I'm with you, child, I'll heal again. In the desert dry, you are the rain. In my brokenness, you call my name. I lift my eyes to where you are. My fountain flows beyond the stars. You're the fountain of hope that never runs dry, the river of mercy where my soul can hide. In every season, in joy or despair, your love restores, you're always there. You're the fountain of hope, forever alive. Jesus, you carry me, you keep me inside. In the silence, you are my song. When I am weak, you make me strong. Through every trial, through every flame, your steadfast peace remains the same. My heart remembers every time you came. When all seemed lost, you knew my name. You lifted me from the dust below and filled my soul till overflow. You're the fountain of hope that never runs dry, the river of mercy where my soul can hide. In every season, in joy or despair, your love restores, you're always there. You're the fountain of hope, forever alive. Jesus, you carry me, you keep me inside. Pour out your presence, wash over me. Let living water set my spirit free. Yeah. Every drop of grace, every breath you give reminds my heart, in you I live. You're the fountain of hope that never runs dry, the well of salvation that never will die. From my first breath to my final sigh, you are